Hello, welcome to Sunday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. And today's tip is to mark out in some way. Could just be a jump rope or a few different stones. I had some chalk, so I chalked it out. Chalk out an estimation of the radius of your personal space. There's an awful lot of lessons to do with this. And variables and details, so I'm not going to get into them all here. So there's plenty to play with, but mark out a sense of personal space. Bob representing the person in question, and then what we might call social space here, and then over there strangers, public, right? I also have the sort of intimate space marked out, like here, sort of close contact. But at any rate, have a practice of your form, maybe a drill, maybe the form, in which you are near the edge. So let's say I mark this out for me. I'm familiar. I understand that there's a shift in the sensation I have when somebody changes the boundaries. And maybe I have to kind of estimate what their intentions are when the boundaries change, particularly when the boundaries change in a closer orbit, right? So going through my form, and I'm practicing at some point near the boundary, and what I want to do is notice the shift in myself when I approach, because again, if this is about right for me, where there's a shift, I may be able to detect that when Bob is here, or something similar for you. Maybe it's a scarecrow or a mailbox. Maybe you can get a training partner. Maybe you can put a stake in the ground. It won't be quite the same feeling and vibes as a human being, particularly with their own intentions, but it's a nice practice for me to experience what's the change in my form, in myself, when my form takes me through a change in social space or personal space. So enjoy that, and be grateful your teacher let you get close.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.